Anyone can have a presence at their home from any distance with the BTG Doorbell. This digital doorbell with built-in camera is able to keep a constant eye for every visitor. It connects to the home's Wi-Fi network, allowing smartphone access to its live and recorded videos.
Is anyone home?
Yes, come on in.
Unlike other subscription-based home security systems with monthly fees, the BTG Doorbell functions on its own. The camera has a pan feature that users can use to look in different directions. Its passive infrared PIR sensor can be set to different sensitivities to detect motion at the doorstep. It's easy to connect the BTG Doorbell through the user-friendly app. Go to the App Store and download the BTG IoT app. Once installed, press Add to Device and connect the Wi-Fi to the camera. Enter the password of your Wi-Fi network and connect it. Once connected, the doorbell can be used to check on visitors, detect delivery and arrival of mail, and also detect intruders without ever getting close to the door. Keep watch over your home 24/7 with the BTG Doorbell.